What do you imagine when you hear the words clean energy? When we talk about the future of clean energy, we usually imagine solar panels, wind farms, or futuristic batteries. But what if the next major breakthrough came from something microscopic, something living outside of our vision? Leading researchers at Oregon State University have just discovered a new species of electricity conducting bacteria, and it might help clean up our environment while quietly powering our world. Welcome to the bacteria that can power the future. This tiny powerhouse is called C.A. Electrothrix yangonensis, a newly identified species of what's known as cable bacteria. It was found in the intertidal sediments of the Oregon wetlands, an environment where fresh and salt water mix. Named in the honor of the Ungona people, the region's original stewards, this bacterium is a keystone species to its environment, and now the vital organism can be part of the rich history of the indigenous people. What makes this bacterium so extraordinary isn't just where it was discovered, but what it can do. It's a prokaryote, meaning it lacks a nucleus or complex organelles, and yet it can conduct electricity across long distances using internal protein structures that act like biological wires. In short, this humble microorganism turns its own metabolism into a living circuit. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. Unlike other discovered cable bacteria, Youngonensis is a hybrid of saltwater and freshwater genome. Therefore, these bacteria could play a huge role in environmental cleanup by helping break down pollutants in wastewater through bioelectrical processes. Even more futuristic, they might one day be used to create biobatteries, living systems that generate power using naturally occurring electron transfers. That means no heavy metals, no toxic chemicals, just biology doing the work. It's a clean, renewable, and low energy system that could dramatically change how we think about powering devices or treating contaminated environments. I chose this account because it completely flipped my view of bacteria. We usually associate them with disease or defense, but this discovery shows how prokaryotes, often seen as simple, can perform complex and even elegant feats of chemistry. As someone who loves being with nature, the environment, and everything it brings, I care about clean energy and sustainability. It's inspiring to see how the smallest life forms might help solve some of our biggest problems and maybe save our national parks from pollutants. In biology, we study how prokaryotic cells function, how they generate energy without organelles like mitochondria, and how electron transfer chains drive cellular respiration. What Yangonensis shows is that some prokaryotes take that a step further, moving electrons outside their cells to create current. It's like a living extension of what we learned, only this time it's partnered with real-world innovation in energy and environmental science. From the mud of Oregon to the front lines of ecology, this little bacterium reminds us that evolution doesn't always mean bigger or more complex. Sometimes it just means more efficient. And in a world looking for greener, cleaner solutions, maybe it's time we started looking a little closer and a little smaller too. Thank you